All right, well, you can see most of the rain was off to our south earlier this afternoon, even seeing some of that pink showing up in the lower peninsula. Now, for us across the UP, clouds were in place. Now, they are starting to break down a bit, and we should see clearer conditions as we head into the evening. Won't be completely clear for us, but definitely clearer than what we started off our day, and expecting tonight to be another chilly one. On into Saturday, probably seeing those numbers rebound back into the 50s across the board for us, with even a few locations seeing those numbers rise into the 60s. A look at your current conditions. 50 degrees, mostly cloudy skies with winds out of the north-northeast at 9 miles per hour. Lower 50s for us here in Marquette. As you head farther to the west, you will notice numbers a bit warmer. 52 in Ontonagon, at 48 in Ironwood, 56 in Florence, and at 56 down in Menominee. Eastward, upper 50s in Munising and Manistee, at 52 in St. Ignace, middle 50s in Escanaba, and Ishpeming currently sitting at 50 degrees. Your winds right now coming out of the southeast at 7 in Houghton, 7 miles per hour out of the north in Iron Mountain, and at 8 out of the southeast in Escanaba. So not too breezy out there. Generally right around maybe perhaps 7 to maybe 10 miles per hour. A bit more windy as you head westward here into Ironwood at 13 miles per hour. But either way, it has been a generally quiet afternoon for us, and temperatures across the state are starting to see more of that rebound when it comes to our temperatures. Upper 50s as you get closer to Iron Mountain, 56 into Houghton Lake, and at 56 down in Grand Rapids, where they do have more of those clouds in place, keeping them a bit cooler. Well, tonight looks to be an average evening for us, as overnight temperatures will drop closer to those middle 30s. Now, tomorrow, that will feature a mix of sun and clouds for the region, as highs return into the mid and upper 50s for afternoon highs. And tomorrow night, another quiet evening, maybe a few more clouds as we go on into tomorrow night and on into Sunday. But either way, it looks like we remain quiet. Rain chances look to remain to our south as we head into Sunday, and then also going into Monday and Tuesday. But a look at our setup right now, you can see the cooler air mass continuing to kind of hold on to the region. Now, it may give just a bit as we head into tomorrow, but either way, it should be a quiet afternoon for us, and not too bad when it comes to our temperatures. And here's a look at tomorrow. Another system working its way through the southern Great Lakes, while we here into the UP will quiet down yet again, have more of those clouds coming in and out throughout the day for us, and temperatures topping off in the 50s. Your Futurecast model for tonight, mostly clear skies with only a few clouds streaming in and out throughout the evening. For tomorrow, maybe a few more clouds as that system moves off to our south, but generally seeing more of that sun on the way for us. And then by tomorrow night, it looks like we do have a few more clouds try to come in from the northwest, but another quiet evening ahead of us. And then Sunday looks to be a very nice day also. A look at tonight, we'll drop down to 32, mostly clear with light winds. On into tomorrow, we'll have those numbers top off in the 50s. Sun and clouds on the way for us, with winds out of the north-northeast at 5 to 15 miles per hour. 52 in Ontonagon, at 50 degrees in Lance, upper 50s in Florence and in Iron Mountain, middle 50s in Escanaba and Manistee, and Munising will top off at 50 degrees. Your 7-day forecast. 40s for us here in Marquette, just barely because of that north wind keeping that cool air mass, or at least that cool air off of Superior here in place. But we do see those numbers increase as we head into Sunday, and then a bit more as we head into Monday, up to 55 with more of that sunshine on the way for us. All the way up to 62 as we head into Tuesday, as we'll get a break from the cooler air mass that's been in place and start to feel more like spring out there. But it doesn't last too long for us. We do cool off as we get into next Wednesday, dropping down to 47, but then another jump, not up, not downwards, but actually jumping upwards as we go into Thursday and Friday, back into the mid and upper 50s, and then also seeing those 60s as we head into next Friday under mostly cloudy skies. But either way, not much rain in the forecast for us. Also seeing a bit more of that sun as we head over to the weekend, and definitely by next work week. So yet again, the quiet weather does continue for us. So a lot of outdoor activities will be A-OK as you head over into Saturday and Sunday.